Hey guys, it's Kaiser Mouse again here. We're picking up with some more armor core. We're gonna go after these missions. Why not? Honest brute, easy peasy.
I'll cut to the chase. This is about the ice worm. That Institute relic you had a run-in with.
Not a fan.
The corpse might stand a chance if it were just the PCA they were teaming up against. But that monster is a whole other story. You can't just throw bodies at it. The thing that makes it such a pain in the ass is its perpetual reactive shield. Coral tech. Takes advantage of the coral's directivity. Ordinary weapons can't touch it. So let's get extraordinary. I can make you something that'll punch a hole in that shield. But I'll need your help.
Okay.
You'll be heading to Grid 012.
I like big
One of
gun.
the first sectors they built, and it's barely holding up. That's where a little rat who betrayed RAD is hiding out. Goes by the name of Honest Brute.
Betrayal. Stabbed in the
This
back.
AC Milktooth was built by us, so its only
Milktooth.
flaw is that it's piloted
Oh
by hand.
no, that's bad.
When he ran from RAD, he didn't just take
Don't
credits
know.
and tech. He also took a secret project of mine.
Milk teeth are
And
weak.
that secret project is what we'll need to bust open the ice worm's shield.
Okay, so we're trying the 6-part V missiles, the stun baton, and the laser shotgun just because. Shotgun!
You ready for this, tourist?
Hold on, I have to burp, sorry.
No one's gonna miss Brute. And we all stand to gain.
No one's gonna miss Brute. Well, his name is Brute, so. Easy peasy.
Main system activating combat mode.
Ooh. The under.
All right, tourist. I'll tell you where to go.
I can make it.
Tourist. It's a delight to enjoy the company of a visitor from so far away.
Brute.
Scan.
Gotta
Scan.
take back what you stole from us.
Not us. From Carla.
You're a friend of Carla's.
Yes.
Any friend of Carla's is a friend of mine.
What? Where?
Here's
Oh.
new beginnings. By all means,
Oh gosh. I didn't like that at all.
See what I mean, tourist? We need to go deep down.
Oh, okay. They just exploded. Oh, let's take a shower. Ooh. Oh, nope, there's a bad guy. Alright, stop messing around. I thought that was a chest and not a bad guy. Now I look like a fool.
That damn freak's using my toys like they were his.
Okay, I love that. That does like 12 hits. What was that? Funny, funny, funny. Lasers? No.
Make sure you keep clear of the laser sensors. They're set to activate the enemy machines.
I can't just blast this at you?
from afar, just for me. What joy. Be still my beating heart.
Hit. Oh. Alright, easy peasy. Puzzle puzzle. don't know if I can hit that guy from over here. Okay. Oh, I hit the button to cancel my charge. There we go. No. See if the missiles will hit him. Nailed it. These guys have big bullet? I feel like... Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. I activated them. That was a classic blunder. Absolutely love Beat Stick. What? Oh man, I thought I killed that guy. It's comparatively so hilarious to, like, compared to the other melee weapons only getting so few hits. Oh, beans. Oh, he didn't go down. Oops. Kick. Oh, he didn't go down from the kick. Oh no. Okay, and where's this last guy? He's up somewhere. He's just straight up above me. Okay.
Right-hand ammunition at 50%.
It doesn't do a lot of damage, but that's a whole lot of hits. Oh, I kicked him and it didn't go down. Okay. I forgot. Kick isn't enough. Ah, okay. Oh, chest. Okay. Glad I came over here. Oops.
AP at 50%.
No, ow.
Repair kit remaining.
Ah. Beans. Oh, I missed again. Okay, well that was probably just like too close. Where's the other guy at? There was one more, I thought. Guess I got them all. Oh, a Jun. How fun. Double trouble, huh? Alright, we'll see that later. Or if we die, we'll see it now. Who knows? So I think this weapon does the electrical anomaly thing. And there's other weapons that do it too.
Fidgeting anxiously before the big dance.
Ow! What the beans?
The anticipation is part of the fun. Right-hand ammunition at 30%.
Ooh, missed. Don't you try and hit me, I'm hitting you. Oops. Ah, I missed it again.
Light shoulder ammunition at 50%. Slow. Slow. Quick, slow.
You're not creeping me out, bud.
Slow. Quick.
I'm not creeped out. Who are these guys? Oh, just another path I could have taken, maybe?
I can't wait either.
He seems rather strange.
Left shoulder ammunition at 50%.
I thought there was gonna be stuff over here, it's just these guys. Okay, I've taken an absolute beating this mission. That was a repair point, but there's probably just gonna be a checkpoint, which will be fine.
The enemy's deploying a shield. We'll need to get behind it.
I hate to see my babies get scrapped like this, you know. Well, don't be shy. Smash them up. It'll help me with
They're
my
down there. Oh, okay, just some a-hole. Got it.
There's your way in. Room can't be far.
We should keep an eye out for traps. They'll be much more dangerous in tight quarters.
Where? Oh, over here? Okay. Whoa, what? Where's the bad guy? Up there? Oh, I didn't see him up there, little guy. Well, you're friends. Well, now you can hang out with them. Alright, I mean, this head's not super good at scanning. That's fine.
I've done my best to welcome you. I do hope you'll enjoy your stay, friend. Right-hand ammunition at 10%.
Ow. Oh, man, this is a...
50%.
Oh, wow. I'm getting big. Yeah, I shouldn't have tried that. Just that guy. Oh, God. Bad cook, another Jun. I like guns in this game. They did a really good job on the guns. Was this not the right way, or was this definitely the right way? I feel like it was definitely the right way. Except for, I'm getting shredded. Oh. Alright, I see now.
Jump down there and we've got him cornered.
Oh, I'm not gonna have a good time.
Guy's a rat. This won't be smooth sailing.
A rat, huh? He's gonna bite me. Oh, okay. That's quite the fall. Except some kind of big guy thing there. Oh, this is a long fall. Oh, I can't go over there anyway.
Is
Okay.
this place some kind of hangar? The target AC must be nearby.
So I'm gonna get smoked right away. Big gun. Oh, hey, this is the big gun I was looking for.
Ah, my new friend. You're here at last.
Hey, Bruce.
Brute!
It's Brute, right? I forget it's
You've
Brute.
introduced me to such wonderful people. Wonderful things.
Shut him up, tourist.
The sweet melody.
Oops, I forgot I don't have a shotgun. Yeah.
That was your last.
He had a flamethrower.
I'd offer flowers if I could find them.
Order? Yeah, I don't know if this exploded planet has flares. This was a surprisingly long mission. Let's check out our... what do we loot? We just not have it until the mission is over. Oh, we don't have it until the mission is over. That is good to know. We'll give this a shot. I don't know that I want to be close range on a guy who has a flamethrower. That's never a good choice.
Jump down there and we've got him cornered. Don't forget, the guy's a rat. This won't be smooth sailing.
Well, I can't super speed boost down. Got it. That's insane, but okay.
Was this place some kind of hangar?
Yes.
Target AC must be nearby.
Ah, my new friend. You're here at last. Brute! Oh, Carla. You've introduced me to such wonderful people. Wonderful things.
Shut him up, tourist.
The sweet melody of the generator. How Milktooth's heart sings.
Oh, bullshit. Oh god, his weapon is better than mine.
AP at 30%.
Okay, yep, melee. Oh, I didn't heal. Alright. We'll give that one more shot. He had one of those grinder things. I guess it's a chainsaw, I guess.
Jump down there and
That's what
we've
they'll
got
call
him
it, is that
cornered.
is a chainsaw.
Don't forget, the guy's a rat. This won't be smooth sailing.
He's probably gonna benefit from long range fighting this guy, or...
Was this place some kind of hangar?
Yes.
The target AC must be nearby.
Hello, Brute. Oh, I thought I was gonna land there, but I decided not to.
You're here at last. Brute! Oh, Carla. You've introduced me to such wonderful people.
Where is this guy at?
Wonderful things.
Shut him up, tourist.
The sweet melody of the generator. How Milktooth's heart sings.
Built that AC at R&D, tourist. Don't underestimate it.
2 repair kits remaining.
Ugh, he staggered me. No, not. Oh, shit.
50%.
It's not staggering him enough.
How Milktooth weeps. How the rail cannon weeps. Torn from their mother. Oh, they must miss Carla so. My winged
Got him high.
Don't encourage him.
1 repair kit remaining.
Yeah, that was a good hit.
Slow. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. 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 Quick, quick, slow. Let's trip the light fantastic friend.
We're not friends, bud. I don't like you.
Starting to feel confused. It'd help if you could shut him up.
Oh god, his flamethrower is very putting pressure on me. I do not like it.
AP at 50%. AP at 30%.
Come on, come on, come on. I'm so close. Eh,
My friend,
barely by the power of shotgun.
thank you.
Enemy AC is silent.
I like the baton. It's fast and
All right,
crazy,
tourist.
but
I'll see about retrieving our secret project.
I don't know.
We'll need it to go worm hunting.
Hard to argue the power of gun, you know. Respectable. Oh, the chainsaw. Okay. And this one, the flamethrower. Got it. I don't know how useful that'll be. Ooh. Shoulder. Is that shoulder? Looks like shoulder to me.
One new message. This is Chatty Stick, RAD. Thanks for putting down Brute. The chief's already in the workshop tweaking the rail cannon. And I've never seen her happier to be at work. That is all.
If I got to work on a rail cannon, I'd be pretty happy about it. You know? Bart's shop, Bart's shop. That's the stun bomb, yep. And flame and warfare. Alright, show me that again. That does a lot of chip damage, okay. What? Where'd the other thing go? Oh, I already have it. That's why it's not here. And, bada boom, huh? Delayed explosion. Oh, it's a missile launcher. Okay, detonating missile launcher. Got it. Oh, okay, right. Cluster munitions. Very cool. Flamethrower. Yeah, we've seen that. And chainsaw. I prefer bone saw. That was lackluster. Guess it did a ton of stagger, but one hit and that, like, why is it not showing how many it can chain? I guess we'll rock this for a bit longer. Yeah, I guess we'll just rock the shotgun for a while. What did I miss? Oh, right, the missile launcher. Okay. I don't know how long this is, and we're kind of on the edge of time here. Let's give the arena a shot. It's been a while. We go all the way to bees by fighting the guy we just fought. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Load screen, load screen. Oh, okay.
Arena combat
Oh,
aptitude
this guy, he's
evaluation
tough.
program. Number 17.
The bird song and a shoddy. Oh, and a bazooka. Ugh. Alright, we'll see what we can do. We may have to
Subject
take more than
AC,
one run at this
cannon
one.
head. Call sign, gun 4.
He got a little flat baby head. It's pump up jam. That's what that is.
Combat mode.
Ow. Ow. Ow, I dodged directly into that. That was my bad.
AP at 30%.
Dodge, dodge, dodge. Missed. Oh, God. Oof. Okay. I'm gonna give that one more shot with this build. I did not do good there. He's just a little bit too fast. And I completely ignored the shotgun in my hand. Insane.
combat mode.
Oh, I missed so many of those. And then he punished me for being in melee patterns. How did he... He teleported behind me. That's insane that a tank body can just dodge like that. But, okay. You'll change. We're gonna go with something silly. What should we do? It's silly. You know what? We'll do bazooka. Do that one. Double up. Two the same. Layered limit, huh? Total, wait. Okay, I have excess. What's happening here? So I need a bunch of load. Just overburdened. They here? Not even close enough. What am I missing here? Was it the chest piece? Yeah, that's what brought us down. Blow that one. Nope, still overloaded. Still overloaded. So blow that one, and then why is it working? I don't understand. I've run this build before. What's the matter? Fine. I'm overburdened. Fine. We'll do this super weird one. Load, load, load. Okay, see? Chant, it goes faster. Everyone knows that.
Main system activating combat mode.
Nope.
AP at 50%. AP at 30%.
Close.
Target destroyed.
Hmm.
Concluding evaluation.
Not good at using the shield either. I'm not sure if that would have even helped. That was a weird. Maybe I used the other longer cannons. Minute. Oof. Brutal. Alright, let's try the next guy. I think we're gonna change body parts, so I don't particularly like this one. We're doing a solo thing, so we'll do these. Like this one? It's a good one, I guess. Okay, let's see where this one gets us. I think this is a fast guy, so the plasma's gonna work out. He looked like a fast guy.
Arena Combat Aptitude Evaluation Program.
Yeah,
Number
the
16,
chicken
rank
legs.
C.
Oh, his melee. Some. Ooh, spooky alien
Sector
head.
AC, dual
Pulse gun.
major.
Okay.
Call sign V8 Pater. Commencing evaluation.
Does he have baby kidneys? Is that what that?
Main system activating combat mode.
Oh, he had no health. He had no health at all. He didn't have the shield though. Oh, okay. Well, I was gonna kick him, but I guess missiles will get him.
Target destroyed. Concluding evaluation. Well
Those
done.
plasma AoEs are so strong. Sula. We can fight Sula real quick. We already beat Sula in a mission, so it's fine. It's probably gonna be the last one when we're on time for the video, I guess.
Arena Combat Aptitude Evaluation.
Oh, the air
Number
burst, a
15,
pulse gun.
C. Network instability
Ah,
detected.
bazooka. No, yeah.
Sub AC. In angle. Call sign Sula.
Oh no. Oh mind, you're freaking out.
Main system activating combat mode.
Ow. Ow, again? No, not the bubbles.
50%.
See, Sula's not so tough. I don't know why he was so easy to kick. Felt like I could just hit him with kick.
Evaluation. Well
And
done.
that was, like, easy peasy, you know? All right. Thanks for being here, and I'll catch you next time, guys. See you later.